eSign Cart. India's first app-based platform for purchasing e-sign-related products of varied brands at non-discriminatory prices for direct selling partners with exceptional service quality. In this video, we are going to see how to install a Epass 2003 middleware. Let's start the video. Firstly, you have to go to This PC and right-click on Epass 2003 driver and click on Install or Run Program. And now, select Language and click on OK. Then install the setup file clicking on Next. Select Private CSP type and click on Install. Now you can see that the software is in the process of installing. And it has been installed successfully. You can now open it by clicking on it. As you can see that it has been opened, you can also see a login, import and other options as well. Thank you for watching our video.